I know you've been waiting for me to talk about her. Of course, Miss World Philippines, Asia Rose Simpson. There has been so much talk about Asia, and you know what? Let's get right into it. Asia is currently 18 years old or 19 years old. I think she's 18, okay? So she is definitely on the youngest side of the delegates at Miss World this year. Definitely when it comes to a national level in the Philippines, she is the youngest Miss World Philippines winner. And back home, she won the Beauty with a Purpose plus the Talent Browns. So if you forget about the age factor for a moment, it is undeniable that Asia did an exceptional job when it comes to, like performing and showing up during the competition when she competed at Miss World Philippines a couple of months ago. In terms of her background, she has also appeared on Pilipinas Got Talent as a child. So definitely a girl that seems to be familiar with the stage, with performing, who is very comfortable in front of the cameras. Beauty with a Purpose. She is a youth mental health and community well-being advocate. Again, very on brand. I think that this will do well with Miss World. Now, the elephant in the room. There has been so much talk when it comes about Asia and her styling and the way that she's doing things. And to be honest, there's some things that I like about the way that Asia has gone about her preparation for Miss World Philippines, and there are other things that honestly I'm not just crazy about it. I think that over time the styling has improved drastically, and right now at Miss World is at its peak. It's the best that we have seen for the past couple of months, so I will definitely give her props and her team. I know that she is also backed by her parents and that they're heavily involved in her preparation, so good. And I'm glad to see that they're peaking as we are speaking, because this is the moment to do so. I don't know if it is because of the age, but there are certain areas where you can tell like Asia is really a young girl, because there are certain things that are not as polished as some of the other delegates that we have seen. But also on the same breath, if we're gonna point out age, we also have to give her props about like considering her age, she is also doing extremely well in some of these other areas. I don't know in terms of Miss World and Julia, like how far they will go in terms of like crowning an 18 years old to be the next Miss World. I don't know if that is the direction that the Miss World organization is going, but as far as I'm concerned, I think that considering her age and the type of support system that she has had going into Miss World, I think that Asia is definitely doing her best at the moment. Let's wait and see where does this go, how it evolves all throughout the competition. Is there room for improvement? Yes, most definitely, but the girl should be given a chance. Let her cook. Not as in like cooking show, but like let her cook, do her.
So atin pong napanood at narinig itong reaksyon at opinion ng kilalang pageant influencer at ng vlogger dito sa social media na si Luis Portelis, dahil nagbigay po siya ng kanyang update at opinion dito kay Asia Rose Simpson, ang ating pambato sa Miss World 2026 sa bansang Vietnam. So bibigyan rin po natin ng ating opinion at ng ating reaksyon itong suggestion at recommendation ni Luis Portelis dito sa ating candidate na si Asia Rose dito sa Miss World. At napanood nyo naman yung kanyang sinabi, meron pang room of improvement itong si Asia Rose. Sa murang edad na 18 years old ay masasabi natin na malayo pa ang mararating at i-level up kumbaga at i-improve. So ito yung highlight ng sinabi ni Luis Portelis dito kay Asia Rose Simpson, kasi marami nga ang nag-aabang kung ano yung kanyang maging reaksyon at paging opinion dito sa ating candidate na si Asia Rose, dahil may mga pageant influencer, may mga pageant vloggers rin na gusto si Asia Rose. Meron rin mga iba na medyo hindi ganoon ka gusto yung styling ni Asia Rose dito sa kanyang laban sa Miss World. So hindi natin lahat masasabi na gusto itong si Asia Rose. Pero dito sa sinabi ni Luis Portelis, I hope na i-take ito as reconsideration, dahil kahit sinabi niya mga kapolitika na may kinakailangan pang improve itong si Asia Rose, ay we have also to consider na yun nga ay bata pa itong si Asia, 18 years old pa lang siya. So marami pa siyang pagdadaan, marami pa siyang kinakailangan na i-improve sa kanyang sarili. At I totally agree doon sa nagsabi, kasi meron tayong nabasa sa social media na comment mga kapolitika, medyo awkward or nag-hold back itong si Asia Rose, most especially pag nag-i-smile. So medyo self-conscious siya. So I believe na yun ang dapat niyang i-work out. Pero nonetheless is napakaganda nitong si Asia Rose mga kapolitika. Napakasimple ng kanyang beauty at medyo hawig siya dito sa kilala at veteranang actress na si Sunshine Dizon. Talagang medyo magkamukha talaga sila pag tinitingnan ko. Meron siyang similarities yung kanyang mukha dito sa veteranang actress na si Sunshine Dizon. At we believe naman na open naman for criticism or constructive criticism yung team or sa side ni Asia Rose. So we hope na i-take niya ito as constructive criticism para nga sa laban niya dito sa Miss World 2026 dahil nalalapit na yung kanilang fast track challenge at hindi tayo kabado dito sa portion na ito. Kinakailangan niya lang medyo i-enhance yung kanyang sarili dito, especially sa kanyang pag-smile at dito sa kanyang mga movements. Kasi especially pag na-camera ay na-capture mga kapolitika at nakikita, syempre nag-observe yung mga tao kung ano yung nakikita nila at yung iba is talagang sinasabi nila kung ano yung dapat na improve dito kay Asia Rose. Okay, so yun lang po ang ating masasabi at kahapon po pala is nagkaroon po ng photoshoot itong si Asia Rose dito sa kanilang sponsor na Omoda Jayco. So sabi dito sa post, Jayco J5 launch was nothing short of spectacular and getting to meet the team behind it all was such an honor. What a night. Miss World 2026 Philippines Asia Rose Simpson. Look for today's Day 8 sponsor shoots and rehearsals. My observation of Miss World 2026 Asia Rose Simpson on her journey at Miss World 2026. Asia is really young and I know she can do even better. Her styling has actually been great, especially based on her recent photo shoots and of course the looks she has been wearing throughout the competition. So far, all of her looks have been on point. However, one thing I would really love to see more from Asia is improvement in her facial expressions. Sometimes they look a little awkward, especially when she smiles. I'm not saying that she doesn't look beautiful. She absolutely does. But I hope she can work more on her facial expressions and find a more natural, confident smile that complements her beauty and presence on stage. The competition is still ongoing and I know Asia is going to surprise us even more as the competition progresses. Let's continue to support this young girl as she proudly represents the Philippines as our Miss World 2026 Philippines. Who knows, maybe she will be the next Filipina to wear the iconic blue crown. Go Asia, we're rooting for you. So sabi nga natin is tumatanggap naman ng constructive criticism at pareho lang tayo mga kapolitika. Yun din po ang ating nakikita doon sa especially sa pagrampa niya sa Sashing opening ceremony. Nakikita natin na medyo awkward at medyo off. So ito rin actually yung comment natin before dito kay Bea Milan Windorski doon sa kanyang competition sa Miss Universe Philippines. Pero happy to say na na-overcome niya yun at napag-aralan ng mabuti mga kapolitika. So ngayon is okay naman, wala tayong nakikitang shortcomings dito kay Bea Milan, especially doon sa posing niya. Doon means before kasi medyo awkward, medyo hindi ganoon ka-natural or authentic yung kanyang smile. Pero along the way sa criticize natin, nagbibigay tayo ng ating mga positive criticisms ay na-workout yun ni Bea Milan at kaya nga siya yung nanalo doon sa Miss World, Miss Universe Philippines. So ganoon rin po ang ating ginagawa dito kay Asia Rose Simpson. Kinakailangan na yun ang i-workout. Pag sinasabi natin na yun ang i-workout mga kapolitika, yun talaga ang dapat na trabahuin, aralin kung ano ba yung magandang posing, ano ba yung bagay. Kasi at the end of the day is hanggang suggestion lang naman tayo, hanggang recommendation lang tayo dito. Ang importante pa rin dito is ma-execute pa kung ano yung suggestion ng mga pageant experts, ng mga pageant scientists. So yun ang dapat na i-apply rin doon sa pagrampa at doon sa mga moment kung saan is most importantly nakatingin itong si Julia Morley. Kasi yun yung moment mga kapolitika na kinikilala ng organization yung kailang personality, kung paano ba nila i-handle yung kanilang sarili sa harap ng publiko. At of course, gusto nila yung confident sa harap ng publiko at hindi nag-hold back mga kapolitika kasi pag siya na yung ma-hire or kung sino man yung manalo dito sa Miss World, ay makikipaghalubilo siya sa iba't ibang tao from all walks of life, from all races. So kinakailangan na all out ang confidence, at of course dapat na magkaan ka trabaho, at most of the time is nakatutok sa kanya yung camera, at ikaw yung maging ambassador, ikaw yung maging image, ikaw yung maging mukha ng Miss World. So importante na confident at hindi awkward, hindi na-off pag nakatutok sa kanya ang camera. Okay, so ganun lang po yun, at we are hoping for the best dito kay Asia Rose Simpson, at again, all out po ang ating support dito sa ating representative sa nasabing beauty pageant. So kayo po ba mga kapolitika ay agree dito sa naging suggestion at recommendation ng kilang pageant expert na si Luis Portelis? Kung kayo po ang tatanungin ano po ang inyong ma-recommend mga kapolitika dito kay Asia Rose Simpson, mag-comment down below at